All of the lessons, homework, quizzes, and midterm exams for this course will be administered through MyMathLab. To get to it, scroll down to Introductory Material and Activities and click on MyMathLab Student Registration. Click on the link in this document. I recommend using either Chrome or Firefox to use MyMathLab. Internet Explorer tends not to work very well with this software. The first time you visit this page, you'll need to click Student to register. It will ask you for the course ID for this course. That's listed on the student registration instructions document that you got from D2L. You'll also need to set up a username and password and set up an option to access the course. You can either use the access code that came with your textbook or that you bought from the bookstore, which will look something like this, or you can purchase access separately using a credit card or PayPal. Once you've registered, you can return to the main page for MyMathLab and sign in using this button. Once you've logged in, you'll get a screen that looks like this. Choose our course, Math 109, Summer 2015, which will take you to the course homepage. At the top of the page, you can see a calendar that summarizes what assignments are due in the next few days. If you want to work ahead, that's great, but don't fall behind. All assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. Central Daylight Savings Time on the day that they're shown on the calendar. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see links for homework, quizzes and tests, and the gradebook. Don't use the discussion board on MyMathLab. Use the discussion board on D2L. That's the one that Dr. Lewis and I will be checking regularly. If you click Homework, you'll see two types of assignments, lessons and homework. Lessons are the videos and interactive apps to help you learn the material. You need to do all of the learning activities to get participation credit for that lesson. Homework is the set of problems for you to solve to practice what you learned in the videos and apps. You can also get help using the links on the right-hand side of a problem. Let's try this problem. If I'm just guessing and making up numbers, I can check my answer, and I get a hint telling me my answer wasn't correct, and additional information to help me solve this problem. You get 3 tries to solve each problem. If you don't get it right that time, it will fill in the answer for you and let you move on to the next part of the problem. If you don't get a problem right, don't worry. Just click on Similar Exercise to get a similar problem to help you try to practice that skill. If you get the similar exercise right, then you still get credit for that problem. At the end of solving a problem, click Save to save your score. If you click on Quizzes and Tests, you'll see that we have 4 quizzes and 4 midterm exams. You'll have 3 attempts for each of these, and your attempts will be timed. So don't open them up until you're really ready to start trying them. If you want more practice with any of this material, click on the study plan link. This will take you to extra practice that won't be graded. You can also click on Chapter Contents to see an electronic version of the textbook. This is great if you're studying at the library or a coffee shop and don't have your book with you. That's it for our tour of MyMathLab. Welcome to Math 109, and we look forward to helping you with Algebra for Calculus this summer.